I started writing poetry out of self-defense. I was the least musical member of a very musical family, and at Christmas time, when music became all important, I became less important and decided one Christmas that I will write a poem and try to join the musical assembly in that fashion, which I did, and it worked well, and I became enamored of the writing process at that point. And my writing career went underground a bit during the scholastic years that followed, but when I started teaching at the end of a summer school and doing my own assignments, I began enjoying the process so much that thereafter I was as much a poet as a teacher and continued writing whatever I did in later years after I turned from teaching to other occupations. Always I was writing poetry. And so I think that I didn't really have any one teacher who gave me the way. I did have a wonderful writing group, and the people in it showed me that poetry exists not in abstractions but in images. As William Carlos Williams said, no ideas but in things. And they showed me the way to increase the density of the images and decrease the amount of abstract palavering. And these were wonderful teachers in my life. Hugh Ogden was one of them, who was a teacher of poetry at Trinity College. Steve Foley, a teacher in a local high school, was another. Pitt Pinniger, Pam Nomura. These people helped me enormously begin to create poems where the words were less important than the images. And I believe deeply that a poem should leave you not with a sense of words as much as a sense of images. Like Hemingway's Old Man in the Sea, you remember your hands bleeding from the experience. You don't remember the words.